Imagine a local coffee shop. The manager is throwing away expired milk in the back room, while a line of frustrated customers stretches out the front door. This waste and delay happen because ordering and scheduling are based purely on gut feelings and guesswork, rather than evidence. Many business owners think they run a modern enterprise because they have a social media presence and accept digital payments. Those tools process transactions and attract attention, but they do not automatically make operations intelligent. A smart business requires the integration of 4 specific elements. You must collect reliable data, apply digital technology to manage it, use automation to handle repetitive tasks, and deploy artificial intelligence to analyze patterns. These 4 nodes must connect. The entire purpose of connecting these elements is to enable rapid, accurate decision-making. When you replace guesswork with hard facts, raw data becomes a direct competitive advantage. To eliminate guesswork, managers need a system to process facts clearly. That system is business intelligence. It bridges the gap between daily operations and strategic planning. We start with raw data. In our coffee shop, this looks like a massive pile of individual daily receipts. At this stage, the numbers are completely unorganized and impossible to interpret at a glance. Raw data passes through a funnel, becoming structured information. A bar chart reveals Friday generates the highest revenue. Expanding the Friday column into a matrix uncovers an actionable insight. University students buy iced coffee and pastry pairings between 2 and 4 p.m. Now the shop knows exactly when to increase staff and prep those specific items. To make these insights useful daily, operators use a business intelligence dashboard. This acts as a control panel, tracking key performance indicators like peak hour sales and inventory levels, so managers can adjust operations immediately. However, a dashboard is only as reliable as its inputs. If the cashier forgets to ring up pastry combos correctly, the dashboard will display false numbers. Poor data collection guarantees flawed insights, no matter how expensive the software is. Once you have reliable data, you can apply artificial intelligence. In a business context, AI is an analytical engine designed to identify complex patterns and predict future outcomes, rather than an autonomous robot acting on its own. In marketing, AI enables strict personalization. Instead of broadcasting the same promotion to everyone, the system analyzes a customer's specific purchase history to recommend exact products they are highly likely to buy next. This dual-panel visualization illustrates how AI applies its pattern recognition across departments. On the left, a marketing algorithm matches a user profile to a specific product category. On the right, a financial model analyzes past expenditures to project a future cash flow bottleneck before it happens. Deploying these systems can feel overwhelming. To maintain focus, we plan the integration step by step using a structured framework called the AI Use Case Canvas. This 7-section grid represents the AI use case canvas. We start by highlighting the exact problem we want to solve, like customer wait times. Next, we map out the required data, which means locating our historical sales logs and timestamp records. With the foundation set, we define the AI type as predictive analytics. We establish a measurable KPI, such as reducing inventory stockouts by 20%. Finally, we must document the specific risks, ensuring a human manager is assigned to review the algorithm's ordering suggestions before any money is spent. Successful implementation always starts by identifying a specific operational problem. Acquiring technology without a clear, measurable objective leads to wasted resources. Looking at the screen, consider these 3 questions. How can a low-budget enterprise test these tools safely? What are the ethical risks of aggressive AI targeting? And how do you prevent dashboard data overload from paralyzing your team? Mastering smart business management requires discipline. Build a rigid data foundation. Transform that raw data into clear insights. Treat AI as a highly specific predictive tool. Above all, prioritize solving real problems over chasing trends. Technology provides the processing power to scale your operations, but human judgment, ethical responsibility, and strategic oversight will dictate whether your business truly acts smart.